Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shashikala from SVCE. In this video, I'll be explaining photovoltaic system and its application. So what is photovoltaic? PV materials or photovoltaic materials and devices convert sunlight into electrical energy. A single PV device is known as a cell. An individual PV cell is usually small, typically producing about 1 or 2 watts of power. These cells are made up of different semiconductor materials and are often less than the thickness of 4 human hairs. In order to withstand the outdoors for many years, cells are sandwiched between protective materials and a combination of glass or plastics. To boost the power output of PV cells, they are connected together in chains to form larger units known as modules or panels. Modules can be used individually or several can be connected to form arrays. One or more arrays is then connected to the electrical grid as part of complete PV system. Because of this modular structure, PV systems can be built into meet almost any electric power need, small or large. So in this picture, you can see the photovoltaic cell where group of photovoltaic cell forms the module. And many modules form panel and these panels are arranged in this form to form an array. So we'll see the working of solar photovoltaic system. So as we all know that sun's energy creates heat and light. And it can also be converted into electricity. So one technology called solar photovoltaic system can convert solar energy into electricity. Recent advancements have greatly improved the efficiency and electrical output. Enough rays from sun hit the earth every hour to power the planet for an entire year. Sunlight is made up of tiny packets of energy called photons. These photons radiate out from the sun. About 93 million miles later, they collide with a semiconductor on a solar panel on the earth. It all happens at the speed of light. The panel is made up of several individual cells, each with a positive and a negative layer, which create an electric field. It works something like a battery. So the photons strike the cell and their energy frees some electrons in the semiconductor material. The electrons create an electric current which is harnessed by the wires connected to the positive and negative sides of the cell. The electricity created is multiplied by the number of cells in each panel and the number of panels in each solar array. Combined makes lot of electricity for your home or business. So this is the working of photovoltaic system. So this is the solar panel placed on the rooftop of the house. So you can see how the electricity is generated from the solar energy and supplied. So now let us see the applications of photovoltaic system. So first one is solar farms. Many acres of PV panels can provide utility scale power from tens of megawatts to more than a gigawatt of electricity. So these large systems using fixed or sun tracking panels feed power into municipal or regional grids. Next is remote location. It is not always cost effective, convenient, or even possible to extend power lines to locations where electricity is needed. PV can be the solution for rural homes, villages in developing nations, lighthouses, offshore oil platforms, desalination plants, and remote health clinics. Standalone power. So in urban or remote areas, PV can power standalone devices, tools, and meters. PV can meet the need for electricity for parking meters, temporary traffic signs, emergency phones, radio transmitters, water irrigation pumps, stream flow gauges, remote guard posts, lighting for roadways, and more. Power in space. From the beginning, PV has been primary power source for Earth orbiting satellites. High efficiency PV has supplied power for ventures such as the International Space Station and surface rovers on the moon and Mars. It will continue to be an integral part of space and planetary exploration. Next is transportation. PV can provide auxiliary power for vehicles such as cars and boats. Automobile sunroofs can include PV for onboard power needs for trickle charging batteries. Lightweight PV can also conform to the shape of aeroplane wings to power high altitude aircraft. Capabilities. We work across a range of materials and processes including SI, CDT, CIGs. So PV material recycling, product lifetime, flexible glass and polymer substrate, packaging and characterization, testing and qualification. So these are the applications of a photovoltaic system. There are many other applications of photovoltaic system. Thank you.